Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree's AP Pre-Calculus series. Today we're going to analyze another rational function and determine the characteristics of its graph. So let's get started. By the way, this question is from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. Our focus is on the function of f of x minus 3 times x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 5. Our goal is to simplify this function and identify the key features such as holes and vertical asymptotes in its graph. Let's begin simplifying f of x. We notice that x plus 1 appears both in numerator and the denominator, suggesting a potential hole because this is going to create a hole. So when we cancel x plus 1, we are left with, for f of x minus 3 over x minus 5. So assuming x is not equal to -1, since the function is undefined at the point due to the hole. So the next, let's discuss about the vertical asymptote, which occur where the denominator is 0 and the numerator is not 0 at the same points. Our denominator, x minus 5 is equals 0. And when we solve for x becomes 5. So this gives us the vertical asymptote at x equals 5. Since x plus 1 was cancelled out, it doesn't create an asymptote but a hole, x equals -1. So this is vertical asymptote. And x equals 1, so x equals over here -1 is the whole. So now let's take a look at our options. Option A states whole at x equals -1 and x equals 5. So when you look at it over here, you kind of need to be careful. It holes, it doesn't have a hole in 5, so because of that we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A. In the choice B, it says the graph has a hole at x equals -1 and the vertical asymptote at x equals 5. This is what we're talking about. And so that's why this will be the answer. The choice C, the graph has a vertical asymptote at x equals -1. No, it doesn't have an x equals -1, the vertical asymptote. Graph has no holes or vertical asymptotes. D will not be the answer. Choice B is the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.